rice and peas, coleslaw, and Jamaican jerk chicken. I got escovitch fish. This is snapper fish. Jerk chicken smells so good.
Yeah, man.
It's tempting, eh? What's up, what's up? This is Rico. When I'm not traveling to somewhere warm and tropical, I'm here in Canada. What better way to remind yourself of all those lovely tropical destinations but through food? So today I'll be having lunch at the One Caribbean Cuisine Restaurant here in Hamilton, Ontario. Rice and peas is good. The coleslaw is good. Yes.
Yeah, man.
That food was so good. The rice and peas, the coleslaw, the fish. Well, the question is, I still have the jerk chicken here. Should I eat it or should I not? If I do, can I still, call myself vegetarian? Leave a comment below.
Hi, I'm Cassandra. I'm the owner of One Caribbean Cuisine, located at 516 Centennial Parkway here in Stony Creek at the Walmart Plaza. We started July 2018, and our best seller for sure is jerk chicken, where the spice is right. We also have oxtail, and the people love it. Come on down, enjoy One Caribbean Cuisine.
Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Alright guys, stay true and stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Subscribe. Can I take time off from being vegetarian for 5 minutes? What do you think about that? Should I have it? Or should I not? What do you think? Should I have it?
Yeah, man.